This is the Nutribullet blender. Now we're going to be making a smoothie today, but you can obviously use this for a lot of different things. Comes with a recipe guide, user guide. One thing I really love about it is with other blenders, I used to get these ice chunks or frozen fruit chunks in there and it didn't blend it properly. The Nutribullet actually blends everything properly the first time, and you also have this like poker stick so that you can actually poke around and make sure that everything's getting blended. Go ahead and add your frozen fruit and your liquid of choice, maybe some fruit juice or some milk, and go ahead and start blending it up. Now, another thing that I love about this is you can actually just remove this little circular cap on the top and drop in extra fruit or vegetables or juice or whatever it is, ice, and you don't have to take off the entire lid. So I noticed that, some blenders, they have a spill proof top, but they still spill. This was not the case. This one completely sealed, nothing spilled out, and as you can see, everything's perfectly blended to a smoothie consistency. To try it, it tastes amazing. Hope you grab the Nutribullet today for yourself or loved one. It cleaned up really well. I didn't even put it in the dishwasher, and it cleaned up really, really well. Obviously, it's dishwasher safe as well. Grab it off Amazon today. Hope you enjoy.